Good morning, Kipsters. This is Mr. Adams, and it's Hat Day today, and it's time for our phonics lesson of the week. So today, we're going to be working on identifying letters and sounds, wordplay. I'm going to write a letter on the board. You're going to tap it out, tell me what it is. Sight word hunt. I'm going to write a sentence, and you're going to identify those sight words. And today, we're going to work on some word families. Now remember, word families are words that all end with the same sound. Once again, word families are words that all end with the same sound. And I'm feeling my hat today. And you guys already know who this is. This is from Geraldine the Music Mouse, one of kindergarten's favorite, all-time favorite books. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to go through our cards, and then we're going to do them all on our own. Q, U, Queen, Qua. A, apple, ah. F, fun, f. J, jug, j. R, rat, r. M, man, There we go. So we can see that a little better, can't we? I, itch, I. K, kite, k. Y, yellow, y. C, cat, k. Z, zebra, z. L, lamp, wool. V, van, v. H, hat. All right, guys. T, top, t. X, fox, x. G, game, g. O, octopus, ah. B, bat, b. U, up, ah. W, win, w. E, ed, eh. S, snake, s. N, nut, n. D, dog, d. P, pan, p. Good job, guys. All right, now you're going to do them all on your own. Say, I got this. Good job. Now remember, I know that you probably know all and every single one of your letters. But you know what? It's important to practice because practice, there we go, makes perfect. I'm going to go ahead and point at the letter. You're going to tell me what the sound is. Once again, I'm going to point at the letter and you're going to tell me what the sound is. Got it? All right. A. B. K. D. E. F. G. E.
What is thy bidding,
J.
my master? What is thy bidding, my master?
Looks like we got a little interruption there. That's okay. Ready? K. Ooh. Good job, guys. Ah. Qu. R. S. T. V. W. X. Y. Z. Good job, guys. We just went through all the sounds of the alphabet. But you know what? Mr. Adams said we need that extra practice, right? So, you know what? We should also practice our vowels. Let's see. Who can point at the first vowel? Any takers? I knew you could. Ready? That's right. A, E, I, O, and U are our vowels. Let's go ahead and practice those sounds one more time. Remember, I'm going to point. You're going to say the sound. Got it? Got it. A. E. E. Ah. Good job. Now remember, you could always put around your cards all over the house, decorate snazzy colors, and when you see them, it's like you're on an adventure. You gotta find that sound, find that letter. Ah, eh, eh, all over your place. Well, always, great job, guys. All right, let's keep this game going, all right? Now we're gonna do wordplay. So I'm gonna write a word, you're gonna tap it out, and then you're gonna tell me what that word is. Or you can tell mom and dad, grandma, grandpa, TT, or an uncle what that word is, okay? Now, this is a spot in the video where if you need to pause to get your whiteboard and dry eraser or your pencil and paper, go ahead and get on it, all right? Now, let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm writing that word, and you are gonna tap it out. All right. That's my first word. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. What's that word, guys? That's right. The word is did. Did. D, e, d. D, e, d. D, id. D, id. Did. Good job. All right. Let's get our next word. You guys are doing such a great job. Oop. Mr. Adams' whiteboard's a little funky today, but that's okay. There we go. Much better. Here's our second word. Make sure we're writing it down, best handwriting. We're gonna tap it out, and then we're gonna blend it together. Remember, when we blend, we start one sound, and we don't end that sound until we touch the next letter, until it all comes together. All right. Great job, guys. Let's do it together. G, E, T. We just tapped it out. G, E, T. Now let's blend it. Get, get, get. The word was get. Good job, guys. All right. We've got 3 more words to go. In the moment, take your time, write it down. Remember, we're tapping it out, then we're blending it together. We start each sound, and we don't start the next sound until we reach the next letter. All righty. All right. What was it? Ha! Man, I can't trick any of you guys. That's right. Let's go ahead and put it together, okay? Sh, ish, ish, fish, fish. Great job on that one. Nobody got tricked by our digraph. A digraph is when 2 letters makes 1 sound. So when we tap it out and we identify or we see that digraph, we know we only say 1 sound, right? 2 letters, 1 sound. Good job. All right, guys. And the word was fish. Man, we are on a roll today. Let's go our next word. Ooh. There we go, guys. Giving you 5 seconds to write it down. And if you need a little bit more time, pause that video. Remember, use your best handwriting. We're going to make sure that we tap it out and then blend it. Good job, guys. Whew. Man, my brain is getting so big teaching all you awesome kipsters. And your brain is getting the first grade ready. Ready? It's what? Man, you guys are on a roll today. The word is slash. Slash. Man, we identified our digraph, but then look. We had a blend. SL is one of the blends that we've been studying in phonics. SH is a digraph. So we had word with a blend and a digraph. A blend is when 2 letters work as a team, but make their own sounds. They're individuals. They're cool, but you know what? They still got to do their own thing. Slash, slash. Good job, guys. All right, we've got 1 more word left. We're doing an excellent job writing our words, composing our letters correctly, best selves possible. All right, I'm giving you 5 seconds to write it down. Then I want you to tap it out and then blend it together. Good job. Good, excellent job. And this word is, that's correct. All right, let's go ahead and blend it together. Tap it out and blend together. Ready? Up, 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 stop, stop. Good job, guys. The word was stop. And you know what? This one had a blend in it. ST, st, is a blend. Remember, a blend is when 2 letters work as a team, but they what? Make their own sounds. They are their own individuals. All right. You guys, awesome work today. Now it's time to go ahead and find those sight words. Let's get to it. Mr. Adams is going to write the sentence, and then I'm going to give you about 20 seconds to write the sentence down as well. Now remember, use your best handwriting. Make sure that you are copying everything down correctly, because we want to do our best work. And if you make a mistake, that's okay, as long as you are trying your best. Alrighty. There we go. I want you to go ahead and write the sentence down. Give me 20 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 13 Mississippi, 14 Mississippi, 15 Mississippi, 16 Mississippi, 17 Mississippi, 18 Mississippi, 19 Mississippi, and 20 Mississippi. Everybody should have written this sentence already, and then hopefully you've already started circling the sight words that you see. This sentence says, this picture was colored by Caden. 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 All right. Go ahead and circle that first sight word. That's right. The first sight word was at the very beginning of the sentence, and the sight word was this. What's that next sight word, guys? Take a look. Got it circled? Great job. The next sight word was the word was. Was is one of our sight words. You got it? Man, like I said, on a roll today. And that last sight word was the word by. By. This was by. This was by. This was by Caden. All right, guys. Excellent job. Now let's see what else. Our sentence did begin with a capital letter. Very good. It did end in a punctuation. And this punctuation, the period, tells us that we're telling you something. So I'm telling you that this picture was colored by Caden. But look, Caden is not at the beginning of the sentence, but it's another special word, isn't it? It's somebody's name. And we know we always capitalize somebody's name. Good job, guys. All right. Let's work on our next sentence. Remember, you are going to copy the sentence, and then you're going to circle the sight words. You're going to copy the sentence, and you're going to circle the sight words. As I'm writing, you're erasing, you're getting your stuff ready. Growing our brains. This is so much fun. I enjoy working with you guys. Mr. Adams is almost there. All right. This sentence is, almost gave it away. Go ahead and write it down. That is my jacket. That is my jacket. We're copying it down. Let's go ahead. If you need some time to go ahead and write it down, go ahead, pause the video, write down the sentence. That is my jacket. Okay, what's that first sight word, guys? I'm using my two ears. That's right. Again, the very first sight word is that. Now remember, are sight words always the beginning of the sentence? No, they're not. But do most of our sentences have a lot of sight words in them? Yes. So that's why it's very important to know what our sight words are so that we can identify them, because sight words are words that we can't tap out and blend like those other words. They're tricky, they're difficult. So we gotta know them lickety split so that we can increase our fluency and so that we can get all the information in our brains and plus enjoy the story. Huh? Oh, okay, what's the second sight word? Man, on a roll. Man, I'm probably gonna say that like 1,000 times. Because you guys are on a roll. The second sight word in this sentence is. Is the second sight word. Man, unstoppable. Indubitably unstoppable. Because they were right next to each other. The second sight word is my. That is my jacket. That is my jacket. Great job, guys. All right. We figured all the sight words. We identified all the sight words in our sentences today. Now for the last part, we're going to practice our word families. Now, word families are words that all end with the same sound. Word families are words that all end with the same sound. And the word family that we're going to practice with today is the word family at. We're practicing with the word family at. Now, like, I went, let's try that again. Who went at that person? Who went at that person? Nor at. So many other words are running through my mind right now. So let's keep on going before I get myself tricked. Okay, at. I want, what are another word that ends with at? Okay, let's see. If I put in front of this word, what would I have? At. At. Bat. The word is bat. Like I have a baseball bat, or I saw a vampire bat. Bat. Let's do another word. This time, I'm going to put 2 letters in front of this one. At. Brat. My little sister has a brat doll, or it's brats. B-R-A-T-Z. Sassy, right? Brat. My little sister has a brat doll. This one was a blend. Let's go ahead. Put a box around it. Next word. If I put a C in front of at, what do I have now? At. cat, cat. The word is cat. Excellent job, guys. Like I have an orange cat, or I have a yellow cat, or I don't like cats because I'm a mouse. All right, let's keep going, guys. That's right. At, at, fat, fat. Huh. I have a fat cat. So remember, all these words have the same ending sounds. Word families are all rhyming words because rhyming words have the same ending sounds. So word families are rhyming words that have the same ending sound. Word families are rhyming words that have the same ending sound. I like that. Let's lock that in our brains. Got 2 more words left, so let's keep going. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can trick you with this next one. Silly Mr. Adams, I can't trick you guys. That's the word flat, 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 flat. Like my pancakes are flat, or the table is flat. Or at one point in time, some people believed that the world was flat. Flat. And that's a blend. FL is a blend. Remember, a blend are words that work as a team, but make their own separate sounds. I think it's like doing a dance today. All right, last word of the day and the end of our lesson. What's that sound? That's right. H makes the sound. Let's put it together. At, hat, hat. Mr. Adams is wearing a hat. Mr. Adams always wears a hat. All right, guys. This has been so much fun with you guys today. Now remember, keep growing that brain, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye, Kipsters.